Hello. In this video, I will just tell about my experience with GoPro. Last March 2021, I bought a Hero 9 Black GoPro and I paid for a subscription for 2 years. Each year, I paid for 6,000 yen for the subscription. One good thing if you have a subscription is that in case you have a problem with your camera or with your GoPro, the company is willing to replace it if it's really needed, and it's 100% free. And even the shipping would be free also. After using my GoPro for more than a year, I noticed that there's a blurry spot in some of my videos. So I thought there's a problem in my camera. So I decided to call or to contact GoPro and ask them to call me. When GoPro staff called me, I was asked several questions. One question was, when did the problem start, or when did I notice that there's a problem in my camera? The second one was if I updated the version of my GoPro, and some other questions. Then, after asking me several questions, the staff decided, and because I have the subscription for my camera, she decided and told me that my GoPro will be replaced with a new one. At the end of our conversation, the staff told me and clarified that the replacement would be 100% free and including the shipping. Also, I followed, of course, the procedure for the shipment, and I waited for 2 weeks and they delivered my new GoPro. And this is it. They have just delivered my new GoPro. And let's open it.